You are in control of this small club with big aspirations. These managers are impressed by your team's ambition. Who will you choose to oversee? The time has come to choose a captain. Your scouts have given you a short list of potential players, but who will be your team's first signing? Only the best can reach the legendary division. And this is the 11 unveiled by the home team. The away side has gone for this lineup. Welcome to Dream League Soccer. First, let's use the control stick to move your player around. Your player will automatically. This is the low kick button. This is the hard kick button. Use this. This is the lofted kick button. Use it when in possession. Swipe on the right when the ball is in the air. Double. Now we've been through the controls. Let's get into the match. Off we go then. Let's hope for some. You've lost possession. Now we'll run through the controls. Use the B button to pressure the ball. Use the A button. Use the C button to change the active player. Let's get back to the action. Confident pass. Well cut out. Perfectly executed. That's good link-up play. It's with the striker now. Simply no messing about there. Clean finish. A great goal there. Here's how he found the net. And we're back underway, but how will this team respond? He loves to go past players with the ball. Throw in here. The striker picks it up. He's read that one absolutely perfectly. It's with the striker. And he's won it back for his team. Good ball. They've won it back. That's a bit cynical, really. It's going to be a free kick. The ball played back. And the team swap possession again. That's nicely played. The attacker is in possession. He must score. Good save by the goalkeeper. The defender. And this is a world-class finish. Here's a replay of that great goal. It's 2-0. It's with the striker. Great footwork there. Distributes the play. Won the ball. Defender is on the ball. Not a good tackle at all. Oh, it's a straight red. We're only going to have 1 minute of stoppage time today. He really should be hitting the target. Well, let's take another look at that. Kicked outfield. Well, an eventful first half here, with one team a player down. The other team will want to take full advantage in the second half. So, 45 minutes left of the game. Can the losing team come back from 2-0 down? That's a bit cynical, really. It's going to be a free kick. chance now to turn defence into attack. That's good link-up play. Defenders are looking to the assistant, but the flag stays down.